In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start in Waze 2026. To get started, open Waze and make sure you're on the main map screen. This is where you'll begin the process. If the map is still loading, just give it a moment so everything appears properly before moving on. Once you're already inside Waze, take a look around the interface so you can easily spot the tools you need. The next thing you want to do is look on the right-hand side of the screen. That area is where you'll find the option used to make changes or interact with map details more closely. On the right side, click the pencil icon. This will take you into edit mode. The pencil icon is commonly used for editing, so if you're following along visually, that's the symbol you should watch for. After you click it, Waze will switch into the editing view, where you can search for a specific place and manage its details. Now that you're in edit mode, the next goal is to find the place you want to star. To do that, go to the search bar and type in the address, then press enter on your keyboard. Be as accurate as possible when entering the address so the correct location appears on the map. If needed, type slowly and check for spelling before hitting enter. Once the place appears on the map, click on the place's name. This is important because selecting the name opens the place details. After that, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This side panel usually shows more information and available actions for the selected location. In that left side panel, click on the star icon. This is the button that adds the place to your starred locations. Starred places are useful because they make important destinations easier to save and recognize later, especially if you plan to return to them often. After you click the star, watch its color. Once the star turns yellow, that means the place has already been added to starred. That color change is your confirmation that the action worked successfully, so you don't need to repeat the step. And that's it. You've successfully starred a place in Waze. If you're saving multiple locations, just repeat the same process for each one. This is a simple way to keep frequently visited places easier to access whenever you need them.